Thank you for looking in on this video. This is a video on the EMCO Electronics Trans Mini Auto ++ Automatic Genset Controller Module. The module is a small, compact unit with many features. The unit measures 111 mm wide, 81 mm high, and 61 mm behind the panel, including the connectors. The cutout for the module is 81 mm by 70 mm, and when correctly fitted to the panel, it is IP65. The module has true three-phase current and voltage measurements. When the module is initially powered up, you get the screen as seen in front of you. To the right of the screen there is a small button, which is the scroll button for scrolling through each individual screen. The first screen shows you the voltages line to line and individual phases. By pushing the button, you get the generator frequency. You then get individual currents per phase, and you get power factor per phase, kilowatts per phase, kVAR per phase, kVA per phase, and then a summation of the kilowatts, kVAR, and the kVA. You then have generator kilowatts hours and generator kVAR hours. For the engine, you have oil pressure in bar, it can be PSI, also temperature in degrees C, it can be degrees Fahrenheit, and speed in RPM. There are three different modules for the speed measurement. You can either have a module which calculates the speed from the voltage and frequency line, or you can have a module that calculates the speed via the magnetic pickup, or you can have a module which takes the speed from CAN bus. You then have the fuel as a percentage, the battery voltage, and the generator charge voltage. For the engine, you have the number of times run, you have the crank times, and you have the working hours in minutes. For engine maintenance, you have the next number of hours before engine maintenance is required. You also have the next number of months before engine maintenance is required, and you have the date of the last maintenance. For outputs, you have 5 outputs and 3 inputs. For the outputs, 2 are already assigned, one to the fuel and one to the crank, and for the inputs 2 are assigned, which is emergency stop and remote start. These can be altered at your choice. You need to set the date and time each time the module is powered down at the module, and for programming there will be another small video. Thank you very much.